unlimited money, and if we check our upgrades, we have all the upgrades in the game, so basically God mode. Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use Jasi Patcher for Android to cheat in your favorite Android games. Now, Jasi Patcher is a patcher app that allows you to mod apps on your Android device easily, which lends itself very well to game cheating. There are custom patches that allow you to implement game cheats directly into your games with no root required. It also allows you to get rid of ads in a lot of apps on Android, and it also allows for free in-app purchases in many apps. Now, the game that we're gonna hack today is going to be Temple Run. Now, you need to start the game before you actually apply custom patches using this app. Now, you close the game out, you go into Jasi Patcher, the app. As always, the download links will be down in the description. While you're down there, please leave a like on the video to boost us in the algorithm. Leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever on how to use these game cheating tools, and subscribe to the channel for more of these videos. And then you're gonna wanna, no thanks, don't need that. Go to custom patch, search for the game that you're trying to cheat. So Temple Run in this case. And we're simply going to apply this patch by pressing the patch button. So it's first killing the app, then it's patching it, and as you can see, SP1, the patch has been successful. Now all you need to do is either launch the app manually, or you can alternatively launch the app from Jasi Patcher itself. We're gonna launch from Jasi Patcher at the moment. And yes sir, and there should be a patch that unlocks unlimited money and gives you all the perks in the game. We're just going to check that out. Yes, as you can see, we have unlimited money, and if we check our upgrades, we have all the upgrades in the game, so basically God mode. And this is one of the quickest ways to cheat on Android at this point. Highly recommended that you download this app. As always, the download links are going to be down in the description below, or you can simply Google cheatware Jasi Patcher, or you can go to HackerBot.net if you are trying to hack any kind of online game where unlimited money is not possible by default. Then what I recommend you do is simply go to HackerBot.net by Googling HackerBot. Oh, never mind the search phrase. Just Google game hacks or HackerBot. Go to HackerBot.net and go to the Hack Finder tool that allows you to find legitimate cheats, modded APKs, game cheating tools, bots, and other software to use in any kind of Android game out there. So for an example, if you want some PUBG hacks, you would go for PUBG mobile hack 0.19 for example, and you'll find legitimate mods for that version of the game. You can simply download it, install it, and there you go. So that is how you do that. If you're new to game cheating, go to the beginner's guide over at HackerBot.net. Again, just Google HackerBot and go through the beginner's guide. This is an incredible tool to give you access to actual legitimate working downloads instead of the stuff that you'll find on Google, the unlimited everything generators and unlimited everything mods that never work because they're fake, because in most games those are simply not possible. Anyways guys, that is it. If you want to download Jasi Patcher, the links are going to be down in the description below. Again, please leave a like. If you have any questions, comment down below, and if you're not subscribed yet, we do more of these videos every week. See you guys later.